Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how to reset an Apple Watch. So for that, if you have an Apple Watch like this and you want to reset, and even you can reset without the password, so it will ask the password here. So we're going to reset without the password. So for that, the step one will be put on the charger and it will start charging. Then here press the on the button one, just press a long button, just keep pressing, and then this screen will come up, and then just keep pressing on the top one, and then it will ask for reset. Erase all content and settings, click on reset. So just read the disclaimer and then click on reset again. Then it start resetting now, so let's wait for some time. So the Apple home screen is coming up now. It might take some time, so just be patient. So the finally watch has been went to the home screen, and even it's asking the pairing mode. So this is how we reset the Apple Watch. I think you know now how to reset the Apple Watch. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video, and thank you so much for watching my video.